What's up, my gang? We're in Rowland Heights, home of the Chinese brethren, and right here we are at Rh BBQ 2. It is known to have some pretty crispy, delicious Korean barbecue for a great price, so I'm gonna try it out, see how it is.
Hey,
alright, so one of the key factors of a KBBQ place is the sides, so let's check out the sides, guys.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see. We got the fish cake.
What do we got going on here?
Kimchi.
I think these are bean sprouts. I'm not entirely
Sweet
sure.
bean sprouts. Got the salad, of course.
Rice paper.
Rice paper.
Essential.
And little cut radish things.
Ooh.
It's not too many sides, but I like these though, so it's cool.
Yeah.
Start off with the salad. See, you know, good salad is always essential for Korean barbecue. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it's essential.
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 Essential, like these essential oils.
So we're gonna go ahead and try out the sides and see. So I'm gonna start off with the kimchi. There it is. Alright. Yeah. It's pretty good, like pickled cabbage. Pretty good actually, pretty fresh.
Salad is pretty fresh, crunchy. The marinade is pretty good too, sweet. It's not too overwhelming.
Ooh, the kimchi's kind of spicy. This is one of my favorite sides in the world. Right here, these fish cakes. Yeah, they're like little tofu things, and then they have like chili on it. Super fire, super fire. Let me try it out.
You try it out as well.
I always get a lot of this, like whenever I go to Korean barbecue, they usually give me like a whole bowl of this because I just like keep asking for it, and then like they just end up just giving me a lot. I'm gonna try it.
Pretty good. We're about to finish it and get more.
Ooh, ooh, I like that.
Not bad. Yeah, kimchi is always a must at Korean barbecue, guys.
I agree.
Kimchi has to be good.
Yeah.
Brisket's here, guys. Look at this.
The cut looks pretty good. I think this is, look at that. Ooh, that looks good. Okay,
the brisket is up here, the less fatty, and the belly's right here, the more fatty.
I can appreciate the attention to detail on this.
Yeah, it looks very nice, symmetrical. Let's do this.
Alright, let's get it. I can appreciate the detail on this.
So one of the main reasons we came here is for the price. It is $15.99 for. You hear that sizzle, by the way?
Yeah.
For dinner, it's a dinner price, so that's like it's on the cheaper end, but it's not the cheapest.
Yeah.
The cheapest I've been to is like $11.99, but I heard it's pretty good. So.
No, I've been here before, not to this specific one, but I went to another one that's like in Rowland. It's a little bit farther down. If you guys are from the Rowland area, it's like closer to the Banana Bay. We went to this one because this one got better reviews. So. Because it used, I don't know if you guys are familiar with it, but like it used to be an old Red Castle, the one over by Banana Bay, and it was really, it was good actually. But like with Rh BBQ, they really stepped up their game because my biggest complaint with the old Red Castle was their service. But like now that like Rh BBQ is here, like their service is on point. Like they knew what I needed before I even needed it. So it was like I was pretty impressed, and for the price, it's not too bad. So here's another side. This is macaroni. I think
they just gave us that?
Macaroni salad. Yeah. No, it just got here. Macaroni salad.
Oh yeah. This is also one of my favorite sides too.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's try it out.
Pretty good.
What do you think? Fire?
Pretty good.
We'll try it out. So here we are. We're cooking the brisket and the beef belly. So this is round one. We got the chili, the brisket sauce, and the salt. So I mean, they got everything we really need here.
We're cooking the meat now, guys. If you guys have followed my Korean barbecue vlogs before, you will know that I like my Korean barbecue brisket on the rare side. But Sam, you like crispy, right?
I like it really crispy.
You like the crispy,
like pretty much just like destroyed.
We have to cook it half and half.
Yeah.
Also, we mix the belly with the beef brisket. I like to do this. Some people like their brisket and belly separate, but alright, guys. So I like it just about now. You see this?
Oh, it's delicious.
Steaming hot. Oops. I like it like this, a little bit rare still. That's how I like my brisket. So I'm gonna dig in.
Yeah, go for it. I think I'm gonna eat mine like this too, actually. Yeah.
I'm gonna dip it with brisket sauce.
What's the review? What do you think of the meat? You like it?
Well, it's really fresh and tender.
It is?
It's pretty good. I don't even know what I ate, so I think I had the brisket. Let's see.
Yeah, go for it.
Do a little bit more and give you my consensus on the beef brisket and belly. I'm about to use some paper for my next batch of brisket.
So I'm gonna go in with my first bite of this delicious meat. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my first bite. This looks like brisket.
Put some salt.
So this is my little routine. So I go this. Thank you so much. Rice.
Thank you. Yep. Got my rice. Carby boys, we got. I like a lot of carbs. Dip in the salt.
Oh, this is the first time I've had Korean barbecue in a long time.
Damn, I messed up my taco. Hold on. Alright, this is how you do it.
That's impressive.
My Korean barbecue taco here with the rice cake. Do it.
So this one's for Eddie Kim. Shout out to Eddie Kim. This is how he taught me to eat it. So pretty much go ahead and slap the meat on there. Then you put it on top of like the lettuce or whatever. And then you like throw the rice. You get like a little rice paper. Let me see. Sorry guys, my chopstick skills are terrible. And then you just throw the rice paper on top of the little stack, and then you just grab it like that. That's how Eddie told me to eat it.
The mix of the brisket and the belly tastes really good right now. We're gonna get it separately next time, so I give you a little bit of review of how it tastes separately. But so far, it's pretty fresh.
And the meat is really juicy.
The meat is really juicy, yeah. That's the key when it comes to brisket and belly.
I agree.
We're gonna try this one with the brisket sauce.
How is it with the brisket sauce?
Brisket sauce is typical. It's like sweet. It's getting crispy now. You guys hear it? You guys see the pop? That's how Sam likes his. That's all you, Sam. So far, guys, K-Barb is pretty good. Not gonna lie.
And for the price point, it's kind of hard to compare.
But now it's round two.
Round
Got
two.
some more beef belly and brisket. We're gonna cook this separately this time. So this is the belly, this is the brisket. I'll put one to the right, one to the left.
Awesome. Yep, that's the goal. Here you go, Dan. Do the honors. Thank you.
Oh.
All right, separated. Thank you.
So we're separating them so we can give you guys an accurate analysis of how which meat tastes.
Because the last time we kind of just put them together. So
you guys hear that sizzle?
Yeah. Here it is, kind of cooking. There's a shot. So this is a testament to my fish cake thing that I was saying earlier.
Dude, he loves fish cake. This is like his fourth fish cake.
Yeah, this is my fourth fish cake. I was just being serious. If you guys are on the same page with me on that, leave it down in the comments. This is the pork belly. Thank you. The service here is amazing, by the way. She's really on point with all of her stuff. One thing I like about the fish cake here as well is that they add chili to it, so it's different from other places as well.
Oh, definitely.
Rice paper.
Alright, this belly is looking pretty good.
Look how square this rice paper is. I just found it hilarious and I thought you guys would enjoy it. It looks like a brick of this rice paper.
Remember, I like my belly rare, guys. So
that's right.
It's almost ready. Almost ready.
Gotta prepare for the feast, everybody.
Alright, guys. I am about to try the fatty beef belly.
So we're starting off with the beef belly.
Yes.
The more accurate analysis of the beef belly.
This is just the beef belly, guys. I'll eat it and tell you how I think. What I think. Let's see. A little bit of salt. Wrap it with a little rice paper.
Yeah, get it good. Alright.
My Asian taco.
No for it. What do you think of that?
It is super good, guys.
It is.
Some beef belly is like really fatty where it's just all fat. It's actually like great amount of fat, great amount of meat.
It's tender, it's juicy.
It's just like tender and juicy, like Tim said.
I like it a lot. I like it a lot.
We only speak facts in this review.
That's true. That's
true. So I'm gonna try the
brisket?
Brisket next.
Go for
this
it.
one's a more lean cut, alright? We'll tell you which one I like better. Usually, at most places, either the belly that I like better or the brisket. You know what I mean? See the one.
Yeah, it's a hit or miss. Yeah.
Usually, but
usually for me, I think I prefer the brisket usually more. Go for it. Salt. Just the brisket. What do you think? Fire?
Brisket's not bad. It's a bit drier than the belly, but it's also pretty tender. I think I'd go with the belly for this place, but they're both pretty good. What do you think? Like the beef belly or the brisket better?
I would definitely have to say the beef belly because the brisket, it's a little tougher.
It's a little drier, right?
Yeah.
Beef belly all the way, guys.
It's just all the juices, and you get like so much flavor from this little beef belly that they have here. So that's why I guess I could say that the beef belly is better here. Yeah.
Beef belly all the way, guys. Look at this, nice and fatty.
Just how we like it.
Usually I don't like bulgogi. I only go for like the dry meats, but for you guys, I'm gonna taste the bulgogi here and tell you how it is, right? We're gonna order that next after trying the pork belly. Pork belly time. Sorry, Omar. Sorry, my Muslims that can't eat pork, but we'll enjoy it for you guys. Look at this.
Sorry, Omar. Thank you, Omar. There you go.
Pork belly, you can't eat rare, even though I like my beef rare. Always has to be crispy, that's the key.
Yeah.
So it's just about getting there. Look at this, you hear all that pop?
Oh, that pop a lot?
Yeah.
There you go.
Nice and crispy, got the grill charge on there.
Nice and crispy.
Let's try it.
Try this.
Sam, you go ahead and go first. Give him a little taste.
Alright, let me see. So this is the pork belly. This is what it looked like. With pork belly, there always seems to be a little bit more fat on there. But I think this is cooked pretty well. It's nice and brown.
With the pork belly, in my opinion, I like the pork belly with like just the right amount of meat and fat. I don't like when it's too fatty. So we'll see. What do you think?
I think with the bite that I had, there was a good amount of mixture of the beef and fat. But I could see other pieces, like for example this one, that is usually just fat, but it's juicy, it's tender, and the flavor is there. The flavor is there. I think it's pretty good. What do you think, Dan?
Let me try it now.
I like it a lot. What do you think?
You know how I said like I like it even with just the perfect amount of fat and meat? This one's on the meatier side. It's still good, but it's not like super crispy and delicious with all like that fat. So
yeah,
it's solid.
I think it's
not the best pork belly though. It's a little bit too meaty. You know?
I do agree. I could see what you mean by the meat though, because honestly, the meat is like you can really taste that meat.
The beef belly still takes the crown. I think that's the best meat here
that we've had so far.
We got the fresh bulgogi for you right here. We'll try it up next. Yeah, don't put all the sauce on there.
Yeah.
What do you want to put the sauce?
No. Let's not put all the sauce on there. Just put a little bit.
All right. You hear that sizzle?
That's for sizzle my nizzle.
All right.
Let's do it.
This one's a marinated meat. Saw that Korean barbecue sauce on it.
It's a little wetter, and one thing that you should know is that it will ruin your grill really, really quickly. It will. It'll destroy it.
Let's cook this up for you guys. Alright guys, about to try this bulgogi now. Marinated meat.
Marinated meat.
Yep.
Oh yeah. There you go.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Use your sauce.
Yeah, there you go. Try it out. Ooh. That's pretty good.
Tastes like teriyaki steak.
You can really taste the marination on this meat. It's good. It's not dry. I think this is a good expectation for bulgogi. Average. What would you say?
I'll say it's average too.
Nothing mind blowing.
Because I don't really like bulgogi, my opinion might be a little skewed. But I will say it's like pretty solid if you like bulgogi, you know what I mean? Pretty good. Alright guys, we're stuffed. That meal was pretty delicious.
Delicious and nutritious.
Yeah, I'd probably give it a 4 out of 5 out of Yelp review. Mostly because it's fairly priced. $15.99 for dinner.
I agree.
And because all the meat was just, you know, solid.
The meat was solid. I don't think there's one thing that I could say that I can complain about at all. I thought the beef belly, let's recap, the beef belly was the best thing to get there, 100%.
Yep.
The bulgogi was really good. The brisket was okay. It was kind of like average. And then, yeah, the pork belly, what'd you think of the pork belly? I thought it was kind of, it was alright.
Pork belly was alright.
It was alright. But for $16, like,
yep,
all you can eat.
Can't go wrong.
What'd you think of the service? I thought the service was
pretty good. Pretty dope. Yeah.
Yeah. And so I think this is a really good place if you're just looking for somewhere cheap to eat.
Yeah.
Like within the Rowland Heights area.
Yep. Comment down below where you guys want us to review and eat at next. Like this video and subscribe for more food vlogs. And catch Sam on East Meets East. He's number one on East Meets East.
Yeah.